How to handle GEICO two-step verification if you're prompted. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, click on Login at the top right and click on Login again. After you've clicked on Login in here, it will lead you to this page. Here, in this page, simply add your email, user ID or policy number, then add your password. After you have added your password, press on Login at the bottom. Then it will prompt you with two-step verification. For this, you will receive code via SMS or email, so make sure you check both of them. And if you find the code, simply enter there. After you've entered the code, you will be logged into your account. And if you have no access to the code, you can click on Use Backup Verification or Contact Support as well. And this is how to handle GEICO two-step verification if you're prompted. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.